In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Slack in just 5 minutes. If you've been wondering how you can streamline your workflow and improve collaboration within your team, this integration is definitely worth your time. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you're ready to set things up smoothly. To get started, head over to the Jira website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Jira, or just do a quick search for Jira if that's easier. Once you're at the website, you'll need to sign in, click on Google, and log in using your Google account. This is a quick and convenient method if you're already using Google for other applications. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left panel on your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Among these, find the one labeled Apps and click on it. This is where we'll find third-party applications and integrations that work with Jira. Once you're in the Apps section, look for the option that says Explore More Apps. This is an important step because we're now accessing the marketplace where we can find and install the applications required for our integration. In the search bar of the marketplace, type in Slack integration. This search will bring up various options related to Slack, but for our purpose, we are looking for a specific one. Find and select Slack integration for Jira by AppFire. This particular application will serve as the bridge between Jira and Slack, enabling them to work together efficiently. After you've found the correct integration, you'll see an option to try it free. Click on this button to start the installation process. Trying it for free allows you to explore the features without any initial commitments and see how well it fits with your team's needs. Next, you'll need to select the site you wish to add the integration to. This is important because it determines where the integration will be actively used. Make sure you choose the correct site that your team primarily works with. Once you've made your selection, click on Review. This is your chance to double-check everything and ensure you've got the right settings and that everything looks good to go. Finally, you'll proceed to the final step, reviewing and installing the Slack integration. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once done, your Jira and Slack accounts will now be working in tandem, helping your team to communicate and collaborate more effectively. And there you have it. An integrated system that ties your Jira tasks and your Slack communications together seamlessly. Thank you for joining today, and I hope your team finds this integration as useful as many others have. Feel free to leave comments or ask questions if you need further clarification. Happy collaborating!